Hello, my friends, and how are you doing? I'm still in sunny Bangkok. Today, I have amazing prompts for you for Christmas cards that you can share with your family and friends. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And also, I want to inform you that next year, I want to take my channel in a bit of a different direction. I want to focus on applying AI in the most creative, amazing ways for you so that you have beautiful solutions, but also introducing photo editing and traveling so we can mix AI with real world culture to explore that and have wonderful results and giving you a ton of inspirations. Let's get started with this video. The first thing you're going to need for this is a photo of your family. Now, it's important to not use too many people, so not 10 or 20 people, but 4 or 5 people should be okay. The important thing here is that the image is well lit, that it is sharp, the faces should face the camera, so frontal picture, and you want to have a bit of the body in there so the AI knows what you look like, so you have a clean and clear input for the AI. I have a text document for you with all of the prompts, so you can simply copy and paste them over. And if there are some problems in the image with the look of the people, you can describe the people a little bit in here. Otherwise, it says family photo, but that worked very well for me. Another thing you want to look out for is the composition and also the representation of the people in the image. A 16:9 ratio gives you nice results, but they can be a little bit off, and I feel like the composition is not as nice as with a 3:4 composition. So here you can see a 3:4 composition. That looks pretty good. I like the composition. I also like the size of the text up here. Now, one thing you also want to look for is that the faces are actually looking like the people from your photo, because here you can see it got taken over by the movie theme, so it doesn't actually look like the people in our picture. So pay attention to these little details in here. Of course, also with the hands and the fingers and other little details if you like them. If not, rerun the prompt again. So first, I have some movie themed Christmas cards for you. The first you have already seen is the Addams Family in appropriate clothing for the show. Very beautiful. Next, I have for you the Stranger Things Christmas card. This is very playful. You can see it creates different kinds of looks in here. This is in the forest. I have the monster in the background, but in a fun and not scary way. See, the monster also has Christmas decoration. And here we have the family in a cabin. Again, very beautiful and fun. This is the same prompt, so the scene is going to be different depending on the rendering. Next, for the Star Wars fans, I have this prompt here. The result is pretty beautiful, very nice, appropriate clothing and locations also. Pay attention to the holographic Christmas balls. I love that little detail. In this case, you can see that one of the children is too old, so that doesn't work. Pay attention to these little details in here. One thing you should also look for is that the text is well readable, because sometimes it is kind of mixing with the background and hard to read. Also, of course, I have here a design for our Star Wars fans. There's some very cool designs in here with the Wookiee baby and the X-Fighter kit here. I love that. And also the lightsaber street lights here in the background. The text is very nicely readable. And here we have a variation with a Yoda looking baby. Again, this is the same prompt, so you get scene variations every time you run this. And of course, for the Game of Thrones fans, I also have something for you. Very beautiful results. I would say that the people look like in the photo. It's also the same family composition, and I love the details in here. This one is also nice with a bit of a more active background. In this case, the font is a little bit hard to read maybe, so look out if you like the result that you're getting. Next, I have some bonus prompts here for you that I created for me and my mother. This is us in Kyoto in Japan with the classic traditional kimono and also more of a 2D style painting here. The second image also looks very nice, beautiful kimono details with the birds and the dragon. Very, very nice. And then, of course, because I'm currently in Thailand, we have this version with the traditional Thai clothing, so beautiful. And here is a second version, again with the same prompt. Look at the Christmas decoration. These are traditional Buddhist temple flowers.
Very cool how this was created. Next I have a Pixar style here, so we're going into the fun area now. This one is really cool, very nice clean text, and the family looks like they are. And in the second version, the background is a bit more busy, but also more Christmassy with all of the details, also very good. The next prompt is for our Minecraft fans out there, and the results here are really cool. The stylization worked perfectly for the family. You really recognize them in there. And we have beautiful background details with the decoration. So very cool. I also love the original font from the game. Next, this is not Game of Thrones. It is fantasy themed if you are into fantasy tabletop roleplay. So here we also have very nice results with very beautiful magical details in the background and beautiful font. In this case also, I love the detail that the baby is wrapped in a blanket. This looks a bit more loving. So decide on the details you want to have. Look how the tree in the background is wrapped. Very nice. Here I have a prompt for you. It's a bit more goofy, but for the fun-loving people out there, this is perfect. Now they both look like smartphone shots here. First we have here a full package. It's the Smiling Family Edition with beautiful details and assets here. Christmas tree and a little bit of a sugar cane. The baby is holding a present. Very cool. The second one is more of the smaller package, but there's everything in there. The full family, also mistletoe and the bells in here. This is really nice. The next one is inspired by the Ghibli style, so it has something that is a little bit more soft and traditional from the style. Again, it looks very beautiful. The second one here has also a very playful font in there and a nice room in the background for something maybe for your grandparents where you want to have it a little bit more traditional. The next font I have prepared for you is for the vintage gaming pixel art lovers. And again, this worked perfectly with the font and the background, really, really nice. Also the second image, this is a little bit more fun and stylized, but still works very well. And there's a lot more to come, so here we are in the fun area, more comic book style. Very beautiful design elements here for the elf workshop. Everybody is busy, even the baby's working with the hammer here. Very, very cool. And even the second one has very nice details, so this can be a ton of fun to share with your friends and family. The next one is more classic style, if you like that kind of thing. I would say maybe 80s inspired, with the original photos in the Christmas balls. How cool is that? This is cool when you want to have the original pictures and keep it closer to the real thing. Also here we have a bit more contrast with the white wall as the background so that the faces stand out more. Really, really cool design also. Let's go to something that is more fun-loving, and here I want to remind you to maybe re-roll this a couple of times to get a good result, but this one is actually the first roll for that. This version I absolutely love. The father on the reins and the son is holding on to the front of the sleigh. They are racing through the sky. The text is well visible, very, very cool. But then also we have here the second version. This looks a little bit more like photo bashing, but the cool thing here is we have the original photo in here, so this is truer to the input image if you prefer that. Same prompt, of course. Then I have something for you that is more classic and a little bit more Hollywood style. So this is the classic Happy Family Christmas movies theme here. Now in this case, the children are both the same age, so it doesn't work out. But in the second image, you can see that everything is perfectly, they look as they are. And the font here is absolutely stunning. And they have hot cocoa. I would love that too right now. And last but not least, we have here something that's a bit more classic with the family in the forest. Again, this is based closer on the original photo. If you like that, it's a very beautiful scene. Here's the second version where it was a little bit extended to show the feet too. So this can also be something very nice and a bit more traditional. And with that, I wish you a Merry, Merry Christmas. Share this festive fun with these cards with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Share this video if you can, and see you soon. Bye.